everyone. I would like to talk to you about another one of my favorite plugins called Attendance, which you'll see here in the background of my screen. So, part of the Moodle plugin suite available for Moodle and Moodle Workplace. It does exactly what it says in the tin. It will record your attendance. You add it to a course just like you add any other activity or resource, and you just pop it in. Now, this is really handy for a lot of my clients, especially those who have in-person seminars or tutorials or workshops, especially regarding CPD, where you need to record hours and attendance. So it will replace the old paper and pencil method. So it will allow you to track the learner participation across any scheduled lessons within the course. You can do them in bulk or individually, depending on how you're going to manage your delivery schedule. You can have custom attendance statuses for each user as well, so they can be present, late, absent, or excused. So whatever it is you need for your requirements. The attendance can also be graded, which is a nice little add-on for that. So that means it can be contributing directly to the learner's overall course performance. So educators can also mark attendance manually, or you can allow a learner to mark their own attendance using a password. All attendance data is automatically recorded and can be exported for purposing, reporting, or audit purposes. So again, a great one for CPD hours. It will also integrate directly with Gradebook. So it will give you a clear overview of their engagement as well as their performance. Okay, so let's show you. Okay, so I have one here already, but I'm just going to add it. That's what it will look like once you add it. Here you will see nice alphabetical order. Thank you, Moodle. And we just give it a name. And I do have the general settings, a few extra ones you mightn't have with other activities. So if you wanted to sort of add it to competencies in particular courses or add in any extra restrictions, everything else is essentially the same. Okay. Now, I'm going to save and display so we can get into creating an attendance session. Okay, so you can see here, just add session. Simple as that. Okay, you have your date and time, information about what the session might be. Okay, another option which I really like here is creating a calendar event for each session. I think that is fantastic because I don't know if you're like me, but I need to check my calendar every day to see what I need to do. And here you can add your multiple sessions, so you don't need to remember to do it all the time. Or if one course requires, say, 6 workshops, you don't need to go in and create one for each. So you can repeat it if you choose here, then these tick boxes become available. And you can choose to repeat it however many weeks. Okay, and then also a cutoff date, which is quite nice. So if your course or learning is going to be 10 months, you can have a nice stop date. You can allow students to record their own attendance if you wish. And then this final piece here, do you want them sharing IP addresses or not? And that's it, nice and simple. One of the reasons I love attendance.